So today we will learn about the for loop implementation within the Java jdoodle platform. It is an online compiler, and in order to open it you need to go to the Google, and then we will write here jdoodle. Jdoodle provides a lot of languages compatibility like Java, C++, Python and all these things. So we will click on Java, and here you can see that we have a sample program which is already written inside its main function. So we will delete everything which is inside the main function brackets, okay, because these two brackets are actually the body of the main function. So whatsoever you need to write must be inside these brackets. Obviously, if it is a Java program, then you must have a simple public class and one main function. These two things will help you run the program, okay, and whatsoever you need to write, you have to write inside the main bracket body, that is inside these parentheses. Okay, now here we will implement our for loop. How we can do that? First we need to write for, then we will define a variable that is int a is equal to 0. So what is meant by this thing? Int a is equal to 0 means that now our variable a has 0 inside it, and it is of integer data type. Okay, now after this condition is met, that is 0 is stored inside this variable a. Now we will write a is less than 10 and a plus plus. Also we need a body for the for loop as well. One is the body of the main function, while second is the body of the for loop. First, what will happen? 0 is stored inside this variable a. Then condition will check that either what is inside a is less than 10 or not. You can write here any other thing like 12, 13, 14, whatsoever you like, okay, even 5 or anything. So here a is equal to 0, so we will write either the condition will check that either 0 is less than 10 or not, and if it is 0 is less than 10, then what will happen? Then control used to move to the body of the for loop inside these brackets, and here we will write system dot out dot print ln and a, means that this command, that is system dot out dot print ln, it will just print the output on the output screen, okay, it will print the value of a on the output screen as it is, okay. What is the value of a? It will got printed out here. So now in the first a is equal to 0, so 0 will be printed out there. Then a plus plus, then after this is done, the control moves to the a plus plus, means that 0 must be incremented because it is the increment operator, a plus plus. So 0 will becomes 1. Then again condition will be checked that 1 is less than 10. Yes, condition is true. So again control will move to the system.out.println, and it will be written 1, okay, first 0 and then 1 on the screen. Then again it will go to this increment operator, and we will say it is like 2, and again condition will be checked, 2 is less than 10 and condition is true. Then again control will come to the system.out.println, and it will be written 2, and it will go until it becomes 10, and if it is 10, then 10 is not less than 10, condition is false, okay. So control will move outside of the for loop, okay, control will come here and it will be get terminated. So in this way you can implement the for loop within the Java jdoodle compiler.